How to search from screenshot using Google Lens. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Lens app. If you guys don't have Google Lens app, you guys will simply go to apps Play Store, and once we go to Play Store, simply click on search. Here you guys will simply write Google Lens. So I will simply write Google Lens. Once you write Google Lens, click on Google Lens app. Now here you guys will see Google Lens, so simply install that. Once we install it, after that click on open. Once we open Google Lens app, here you guys will see open camera, and in my phone it says screenshot, but in your phone it can you will see other folder. So for example, I want to search something from screenshot. For example, I have that screenshot, a guy with glasses. So for example, I want to search for that glasses, so I'll simply click on that pic. Now here you guys will see Google Lens automatically detect glasses, and it will show me related glasses. So that's how you guys can search anything from screenshot using Google Lens. Thanks for watching. If you think the guy in pic are cute, you guys can subscribe or like. Thanks for watching.